god, listen to it. I can't believe that this, what you're hearing, is an insect.
Someone doing their teeth.
Holy crap! The answering call. I'd love to see what makes the noise, eh?
Yeah.
No.
Maybe you.
The noise? It's the insects.
Insects.
Mating call.
It's the female
Yeah.
insects calling male insects mate.
Unreal. The other one. What in the world? The noises are unreal. I just can't get over that that is an insect. Chiang Mai, people.
Around the bottom, there's a lot of the monastery of monk living and convent for non living, and also they have this meditation school. That is a whole foreigner who want to learn meditation. Yeah.
Is that a golf course down there?
I think so.
Looks like it, doesn't it?
I think so.
Which one?
Corner of the golf
Yeah,
the airport.
because we have some there, some golf course near the airport.
We're staying close to the airport. No, we're staying near the planes one there. Behind it. The white one.
I would love to see the insect.